Hi, I'm Anthony with Altamont Healthcare, and today I'll be showing you how to use your student portal. First, make sure that your URL starts with server 18. Next, please enter the username that you were given and the password that you set. Finally, select your role as a student. Now we're ready to log in. Now that we've logged in for the first time, we need to upload some required documents. To upload the documents, you need to go to your account and profile, which you can locate right here. Now that we're in your account and profile, let me show you the documents that we would like you to submit. The first document is going to be a picture of yourself that we're going to be using on your student ID. For this picture, please provide a portrait of yourself from the shoulders up against preferably a white solid background like a wall. To upload this photo, all you need to do is go to Upload File, click Choose File, find the photo in your computer system. Once you have that photo, all you need to do is click Upload, and you'll get this file successfully uploaded message. You can just click OK, and then scroll down to the bottom and save. Once you've saved, your account picture will show on the top right-hand side. Next, we're going to go to your student file checklist, right up here. Here you'll see 3 drop boxes for required documents. The first one says Government Issued ID/DMV ID. In this field, please upload your government issued photo ID. This can be a driver's license, personal identification, passport, or any form of valid ID with a photo of yourself on it. Once you have located that on your computer, all you need to do is click Upload, and it'll be right there. Next, you're going to have to upload a copy of your high school or college transcript or a high school diploma or equivalent. This just means that you can submit a high school diploma, college diploma, GED transcript, anything that meets this requirement. So to upload that, it's the same process. Just choose a file from your computer and upload. As always, don't forget to save. Okay, we have your picture available here, and your documents have been submitted. If you have uploaded the incorrect document and you're unable to delete it, please just send us an email and we will be happy to swap that for you. All right, like I said, my name's Anthony, and I hope this video helped.